Hi, this is part 3 of the PTC heater install. Now everything is installed. I'm going to show you now the loose timer which I have used and the power relay and 2 small low current relays. Power relay is to latch the heater itself, but I have certain criterias. Now I was planning to have one type of criteria, but I couldn't find any signals. So I'm going to show you now the final schematic. Here you can see from the left side or right side maybe, you have the timer. You have some signals from heater and the different steps where the heat is supposed to come out. And here you have the power relay. So the thing is, I want to show you better here. The thing is, this is D+. When the engine is started, not before, it will give you a signal that the alternator is charging. It will latch this relay. I have this relay because I'm going to take more power out to other stuff later on. But this relay will latch when you start the engine. That will trigger the timer here and latch this relay during a specific time, which I have set to 7 minutes. Now what happens then is that you have this heater signal. When you have full heater on, it will give you plus, going through this latch relay, going up to the defroster, which is just a switch when you have defroster on to the windshield, sorry, the front window, which then will latch this relay, which will latch the power relay. So this is low current consumption relays, which hardly affects if you take out any signals. This one is like powered from the battery, fused of course, and out directly to the heater. So in this case, I'm going to show you how it works. So I turn ignition on, nothing happens. This timer don't latch. Now it will be latched for 7 minutes. The power relay is not latched because I need to turn on the heater fully, and this one, now it's off again, now it's on again. So now under 7 minutes you will have the PTC heater active. After 7 minutes you can have whatever. So it's just a safety precaution, and that you will have a balance when actually the engine is warm. And I don't want to take out this 200 watts power without the engine running. So that's why I use D+ or alternating voltage charging, which means that the engine is on. Now I have done this right now, so the engine is hot. Unfortunately, I will need to do a 4th video of the same with the result. Does it work or does it not? I don't know. So maybe I put some work that doesn't give you anything. I think it will, but you will see when I have the better criteria for testing this function. Now I'm just gonna put this together and insulate, of course, and then we'll go from there. So keep on watching. Bye.